Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to find the product cost of ending inventory, and cost of goods sold. This is from cost accounting. So the first thing, we need to find the total product cost. So that should be about related to manufacturing or production. So in this one, we can see that raw materials, that is about manufacturing, the waste of production worker and manufacturing equipment. They are related to product cost. Number 3 and number 5, this is about selling and administration. We need to cross this number in here. So we just have only 3 units. And now we zoom 3 numbers in here. And this one, we have 11,189. And this one, that should be in here. The next one, we need to find the total cost of goods sold. To calculate this one, we need to use about the product cost. We divide by the number of the product they just produced in here. Then we multiply by the number of goods sold. So that should be in here. So you got the total cost of goods sold. So we have 11,189. We divide by this number in here. Then multiply by this number in here. So this one, we have 7,303. So that should be this one in here. And the last one, we have the total product cost. We need to minus about this one. So you got about ending inventory. So we put this number go in here. We minus about this number in here. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.